What's up YouTube and Facebook? I'm back again with another episode and it's time for another unboxing and review dahil wala na naman kaming ride. So pag bumibili kasi ako ng bike accessories, usually inuuna ko yung mga yung mga for safety, mga safety essentials. Now for night riding, dalawa yan Number 1, yung tail light, yun yung pinaka-importante. And then number 2 is yung headlights. Meron akong tail light ever since, gamit ko yung Cateye reflex. If you want a review of that, there's no need, maganda yun, bilhin nyo na. But for the headlight, actually wala pa ako. And recently, I've been wanting to do some night rides. Kahit short lang na night rides sana, kaya lang walang headlight. And for safety, ayokong lumalabas ng ganon. And then, kung last time, kung di nyo pa napapanood, episode 4, I reviewed the fake Hornet. So, kung last time, nag-review ako ng cheap alternative para sa isang bagay, in that case, a bike horn. Kaya this time naman, titingin tayo ng medyo mas expensive na alternative, mas genuine naman. Nag-decide ako na ang i-review ko at ang binili ko ay itong Cateye Volt 500XC. Now, para sa mga familiar sa bike lights, I know yung una yung reaction is hindi naman ganun ka-expensive to. This would cost around 1,500 pesos yata. Merong mga bike lights kahit sa Cateye mismo na umabot ng 8,000, 10,000 pesos. Yung mga mas matataas yung ratings. And kahit itong 500XC, merong Volt 500 lang, wala yung XC. Kahit yun lang, doble na yung price dito. So hindi naman to ganun ka-expensive. Pero that said, for a light that outputs only a maximum of 500 lumens, 1,500 pesos is a bit steep, it's a bit expensive. So, tingnan natin kung sulit ba siya. Ano bang i-offer niya? Ano bang na-offer niya na unique compared sa ibang options? For reference, may mga generic bike lights lang, lalo na yung mga flashlight na minamount lang that can output 2,000 lumens pa nga siguro for 500 pesos or 1,000 pesos. Basta cheaper than this for sure meron. So why would we pick this one? Let's find out. Okay, so as you can see, ito yung packaging niya. Very nice. Maganda yung presentation. Unlike yung last item na ni-review natin na parang box lang na binigay sa'yo. Bahala ka na. So, what's nice about this also, since rechargeable siya, wala silang pakialam sa battery masyado. Pwede mo i-test bago mo bilhin. So, malakas siya. Tingnan natin kung ano yung laman ng packaging. So, bukas na yung box. For some reason, bukas na yung box na binigay sa akin. Let's see. So, ito yung unit. Unit, a manual, warranty information, and a USB charging cable. So, USB rechargeable siya. Hindi mo na kailangan palitan. Hindi mo kailangan masyadong isipin yung battery. Wala na extra cost dun. So, yung 1,000 plus mo is yun na yun, forever. Hanggang masira yung unit. And then, ito yung actual na light. I-mount mo using a very controversial. Hindi naman. Some people don't like this, pero it's designed for flexibility. Ang kanyang mount ay rubber strap. Okay? So, mali pala ginagawa ko. Dito pala dapat tumanggal. Okay, sisirahin ko na yung packaging. Hindi naman Okay. So basically, yan yung kasama niya. Yung light and yung USB charger. Dito mo i-charge yung USB via a port here. Sealed siya properly kasi waterproof din tong unit na to. Obviously, kailangan kahit umuulan, hindi siya masisira. And then, mamamount mo siya sa handlebar like that. Now, some people prefer an actual mount. Pero ito kasi designed for flexibility. Pwede mo rin ito ikabit sa helmet, I guess, or kahit kung saan mo man maisipan. I guess pwede rin sa seat post. Pwede kahit saang part ng frame. Now, for the actual unit itself, so long press to turn it on. And then, meron siyang light mode memory. So, naaalala niya kung saan mo sinet. So that next time, hindi ka na babalik sa mode na yan. Anyway, long press to turn on and off. And then, quick press to switch light modes. And then, double press to switch immediately to the highest light mode. The high beam. Kumbaga, high beam. So, let's try it. So, ito yung first light mode. And ito rin yung isa sa reasons kung bakit ko napili itong light na to. Kasi itong hyper constant na tinatawag. So, meron kang 100 lumens na constant. And then, meron kang nagpa-pulse na 500 lumens. So, basically, sa kalsada, pag nakikita ka from the front, para kang merong light, para kang merong visibility light na 100 lumens na open lang lagi. And then, meron kang blinking light para makakuha ng attention for safety. And then, the next one is, yan, one tap lang. And then, ito yung blinking naman. Oh, by the way, yung hyper constant light lasts for 12 hours daw based sa rating nila. And then, itong flashing lasts for 120 hours. As you can see, 100 lumens lang siya na nagbi-blink. So, talagang tatagal to 120 hours. Now, yung next would be, yan, yung high. High mode, 500 lumens, 2 hours nga lang yung tatagal niya. And then, next is yung low. 100 lumens, tatagal ng 14.5 hours based sa kanyang sa sariling rating ng Cateye. So for me personally, malamang dito ko to iiwan. 12 hours for something that combines the use of a constant light and a blinking light. So tingin ko dito ako magsistick. And 12 hours is more than enough naman para makauwi. Kahit anong oras ka pa na stuck sa dilim sa gabi, makakauwi ka naman within 12 hours. Or at least liliwanag na within 12 hours. Now, try lang natin yung double tap. There. Lipat siya kagad sa high mode. And then, low. Oh, no. So from the double tap, pag pinindot mo once, babalik siya doon sa previous. So, tinatandaan niya talaga kung ano yung preference mo. And for me, malamang dito ko ito iiwan. And long press to turn it off. Okay. And lastly, check na lang natin kung nag-charge. Oh, by the way, yung charger is a micro USB. Not mini USB as in most cameras, and not USB Type-C. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-modern. Try lang natin. And some more features of this light source are yun nga, waterproof, all-weather, and meron daw siyang low battery indicator. I'm not sure saan, but meron daw siyang low battery indicator. And yun, basically that's it. Meron daw side visibility din. I guess yung sa lens niya yun. Okay, let's try to charge. Looks cool actually pag charging. Siguro yan din yung low power indicator na baka umiilaw din yan. Okay. So, try natin ikabit sa bike, then try natin lumabas mamayang gabi. Hopefully, try ko rin ng both high mode and hyper constant siguro. So, yun. Cateye Volt 500XC. Good.
nagdadrive ako sa area na to, usually nadidiliman ako eh, although tinted din kasi yung sasakyan ko. And madilim naman, pero surprisingly maliwanag din pala. Sa bike lanes, by the way, one of these days i-feature namin itong bike lanes na to. Ang pinakasikat, ang napakasikat na bike lanes ng Marikina. Yun! Pedestrian lanes. So yan, nakikita nyo yung problema rin sa bike lanes. Park. Balik tayo, baka wala na dun yung camera. So pagdating dun sa taas, itatry natin yung full high beam or yung pinakamalakas na output nitong ilaw. Dun mamaya pagka medyo madilim, medyo paahon, kaya kung mapansin nyo bumagal ako. Usual rides namin ni Mix, pagdating dito sobrang bagal ko na. Ngayon fresh pa, so let's go. Switching to high beams. Yun. Yan, kita nyo, maliwanag na maliwanag yung 500 lumens. Seriously, enough na pala to. City riding. Siguro pag trails baka kulang. Pero city riding much, way more than 400 siguro baka pwede na.
The Volt 500XC's main selling point is its reliability. Binibili mo siya dahil sa brand niya, binibili mo siya dahil alam mong can withstand most, if not all, weather conditions. Also, yung battery niya is rechargeable via USB, I think. And yung battery life mismo, it's not bad. If you output at a constant 500 lumens, the battery will drain in 2 hours, which is more than enough siguro para makauwi kung halimbawa ginabi ka lang or na-stuck ka sa trail somewhere. And then if you use yung hyper constant, so meron ka ng constant light na 100 lumens and then may nagpa-pulse na 500 lumens every few seconds. Yung light mode na yun, it will actually last 12 hours. So more than enough yun kahit buong gabi ka pang magbike. Kung sa city riding lang naman, enough na kasi yun eh. So 12 hours, umaga na ulit, hindi pa ubos yung battery mo. Some downsides of course is the price. As I said, there are lots and lots of cheaper alternatives, and some people won't appreciate yung rubber mount niya. On one hand kasi it's flexible, you can mount it and remove it easily. You can mount it on your helmet, and hindi siya necessarily sa handlebar lang. Pwede mo sa seat post nilagay kung gusto mo. Why not? On the other hand, dahil nga rubber mount lang siya, pagka nasa trails ka na medyo maalog, pwedeng mag-shake yung light source, and pwedeng misalign siya, mag-point pababa, kung ano mang mangyari. Pwedeng mangyari sa ganong klaseng mount. Yeah. Now, it's also not the brightest light source. 500 lumens, mababa yan. There are options sa 1,000, 2,000, kahit sa Cateye brand. Pero masyadong mahal na yan sa Cateye brand. Pero as I said in the beginning, hindi kasi yung lumens yung binabayaran mo in a product just like this one. It's the reliability and the durability. But for casual city night riding, the Cateye Volt 500XC is a very strong option to consider. So if you like more videos like this one, please comment down below kung ano pang gusto nyong i-review namin. Si Migs gagawa rin ng ganito, don't worry. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our episodes. For next week, probably mag-ride na naman kami, so see you then!